Hello dear student friends, if you want to know in detail what is value management, then keep watching this short and accurate video, and please don't skip any part. What is value management? Value management is the concept of giving value to the customers, while creating profit and revenue generation in return for the organization. Value management is a holistic approach that contains some other aspects of management, like product management, marketing, sales, business functions, pricing. Value management is related to the creation of sustainable value at the process, project, organizational, or social levels. It can help large organizations improve and sustain a desirable balance between the requirements of stakeholders and resources. Value management came into inception during the 1940s and was introduced by an employee of General Electric Company, Lawrence Miles. Lawrence was a purchasing engineer in the company when he introduced the value management concept. Different aspects of value management. In order to understand value management in detail, it is first of all necessary to understand the real meaning of value. Value is a term that can be used in many different ways, in different contexts. Now, if the context of value management is considered, it can be understood with the help of the following terms. Value is relative to any alternative, meaning value cannot be judged in isolation. Value is both decomposable and composite, which means that value can be analyzed into a set of value drivers.
Value can have several aspects, e.g., the economic aspect is crucial for B2B businesses, while some other aspects like emotional, environmental, and social are also crucial for B2C businesses.
Value can be quantifiable, which means that economic value can be quantified in a currency, while other aspects have their own ways of quantification. Value management cycle. Value management has become a hot topic of debate among philosophers and researchers due to its significance in many industries. Value creation and management have become crucial for most MNCs because they work globally, and value creation can help saving costs on manufacturing for such large MNCs while saving millions of dollars. Its cycle has following different stages: create, communicate, capture, assess, understand. Initially, the creation of value is done with the help of product management and other helpful resources, depending upon the type of industry and business. For instance, creating value for any e-commerce business is to make the online user interface flexible and easy to use, and bolster the supply chain. Then, communication is carried out with the help of marketing through different channels like print, media, social networking, etc. In the case of e-commerce, marketing can be beneficial to communicate a message to consumers. Then, capturing necessary information and data can be done with the help of some useful online applications like CRM, customer relationship management. The data and information gathered through the sales could further help in analyzing sales, and then going to the next step of the assessment, where new strategies are created for the next cycle of value creation. The value management cycle is ongoing and never stops, and the last phase of understanding is used to make some new changes in the strategies to repeat the cycle again. Benefits of value management for large MNCs. Value management can allow large MNCs to focus only on products and services that provide some value to their customers. Otherwise, innovation without value is a waste of a large amount of money, time, and other resources. Value management can allow market segmentation and pricing that could further provide value to the customers. If the value is marketed to the customers, then it increases its long-term effects. Finally, negotiations in sales are shifted from demands about price to trade-offs on value. So, this was my video on value management. If you love this video, then please like it, give a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. This will let you watch our videos instantly whenever they are uploaded to our channel.